Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Archie here again. Today I'm going to be reviewing and installing this brand new all-white seat covers from FREESOO. Let's take a closer look. Alright, let's go. So these are the seat covers. So we have the front car seat covers and the back seat covers, and also they provided a couple of gloves, velcros, and a couple of tools and hooks, and also this installation guide. Right off the bat, it feels really soft, thick. I really like the design, patterns, and all the stitches. So overall design, I love it. We already have a white car seats, but I just wanted to protect all the car seats from from scratches, dirt, stains, and stuff like that. FREESOO, they do sell different colors like all red, all black, black and red, white and black. All right, let's go into the car and let's get started. First, let's install the top front seat cover. Just make sure the airbag sign is near the door. Pull the seat cover down. Just be sure to pull from the bottom of the seat cover. Tuck in the seat cover. Pull out the velcros and stick them with the back cover. Place the base on the front seat. Just make sure the long side is near the door. Tuck the back part of the base cover between the base and the back part of the seat. And grab the long straps and place them underneath the seats. Grab the two straps underneath, pull them and clip them together. Make sure they are tight and secured. Tuck the elastic belt in the sides of the seat between the plastic and the seat itself. Add those provided hooks into the elastic belts, and then find a wire or bracket to secure the elastic belts underneath the seat. Tuck the side edge of the base cover into the gap. Do the same steps on the passenger side. Then install the center armrest. This one is pretty simple. Just put it on and you're done. Now let's work on the rear seats. First, let's take out the two headrests. They provided this little tool that we can use. Lift the headrest up. There's a little hole in the right bracket. Just stick the tool in a hole and press the release button to release the headrest. Next, remove the rear bench. Pull it up and wiggle it out. Just be careful not to pull it too hard. Just disconnect the wires that are connected to the rear bench for the rear heated seats. Now it's time to add the seat cover to the rear seats. I'll start from the passenger side by releasing the back seat. Put the seat cover on. Tuck the bottom of the seat cover between the seat and grab it through the back. Pull the tab and stick the velcro on the back. For the center armrest, this one is a little harder due to the small amount of space you have. Put the cover over the armrest and after you get it into position, tuck the bottom underneath the armrest and pull it through. As soon as you get it through, close it up together by using the Velcro. Tuck the bottom part, pull it, and stick the Velcro onto the back seat. The rear center headrest is pretty simple. Lift the headrest up and add the cover. Apply the Velcro and that's it. Easy money. Now for the driver's side, I'll do the same steps that I did on the passenger side. Now for the rear bench, place the cover over the bench and secure all 3 buckles. Add the hooks and hook them to the seat bench. After that is done, we are ready to put back the bench in place. Slowly wiggle the bench and push down securely to ensure it is back in place. Then, add the remaining covers to the rest of the headrests and put them back in place. The only thing I don't like about these rear seat covers is how they look on the back. So I decided to put on some rear seat back covers. There you go, much better. And we are done. Wow, this came out great. Look at that. So if you are like me and want to protect and preserve the OEM car seats, these seat covers are great. They feel and look like the OEM with great quality. I am happy they came out nice. So if you're interested in getting a set, you can use our discount code to save some money. I will have the link and our discount code in the description below. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And as always, thank you again for watching, and we will see you in the next one.